It was completely fine when I put it into the garage, but not pulling it out. Is there a reason it works that way?
Oh, man. It was like, yo, y'all better take me aside. Next time I spin the block, y'all going. I'm like, oh, hell no.
Wait, what happened?
Oh, shit.
I'm gonna try and make it to the shop this time. You're joking, I caught fire again. How do I make it not be on fire and shit?
I have to make a report about your car.
I'm about to pull up to shop. Jimbo, are you at shop still?
Yes, I'm at shop still.
Can you come outside and see if it's on fire?
Yep. It's on fire.
So you see it on fire too?
Like really, really bad. Cause you're leaking oil, bro. You need to park it inside, park it and turn it off. Or park it inside quickly and park it away from everybody and turn it off. No, get it out of the fog.
Uh-oh.
That GT4.
God damn it, bro. How am I supposed to fix this shit now? That's the second time.
So I think you're like, you have a massive
Jimbo.
leak every time you spawn it in. Yeah, what's up?
So, you know the bar rails, like for like the car, like at the
Yeah.
back? Is there a way you could take those off and they could become a four-seater?
Negative, sadly.
Yeah.
Yeah, you might just have to send a prayer in, to be honest.
Alright. That's fucking stupid, bro.
Yeah.
What were
I'm
you
gonna try to
meaning
fix
to
it
try
ASAP.
and get here? Like, cause it
So-
caught fire right away again.
Yeah, so that's what. So the reason it caught fire is because you started the car.
I thought I
And
turned it
was already
off.
leaking oil. Well, yeah, the fire spread because the oil just kept leaking.
Well, how am I supposed to get the oil to stop leaking?
When you call it in, you really can't. That's why I'm saying you gotta have to make a prayer.
But it's stuck in impound.
Yeah, you make a prayer about the vehicle for them, they'll fix it. Or they'll have to fix it.
Alright. Well, I'm gonna fly out then.
Alright.
See you tomorrow.
Probably have. Yes, sir.